Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Kerala. Every moment I share in this video is a glimpse that you can see how we spend our days here, and nothing goes as planned. Yet I can cherish these later in life when I watch this video again. If you have been watching my videos from at least during COVID time, you will know that we have a shop named Ice Mug where we started as an ice cream shop but gradually introduced many more into it. Thankfully, it's going really well, and the kids badly wanted to come here as soon as we landed. We have already started momos, fried, steamed, and Szechuan, and each one tastes really good. We have waffles, fried ice cream, burgers, milkshakes, mojitos, and many, many more. Another day, we went to another one of our favorite spots, that's Chai Makani, where we normally go for breakfast, which you must have seen in my previous video. This is when we had gone there to have evening snacks.
അത് ആരാ പഠിപ്പിച്ചത്? എനിക്കറിയില്ല. അമ്മ ആരാ പഠിപ്പിച്ചത്?
ആരെന്ത് പഠിപ്പിച്ചരാമോ?
സൈക്കിള്, കാക്കന്റെ സൈക്കിള്.
This video has more of where or what we ate. Most of the clips are taken from restaurants. There's a lot to explore for food, I felt, as lots and lots of restaurants have been opened near to where we stay. On the streets and on our way for some shopping, I guess, Rihan wanted to have the kheer we normally get on roadsides, and it's available almost at many spots here. I'm not a big fan of this. I love sugarcane juice, which is so refreshing, but have to be very careful of the hygiene part. Also, I love tender coconut juice or milkshakes, whichever you may call. Another very refreshing one. It's always healthy when you have tender coconut water, but when it's made to a milkshake, you add sugar, which cuts down the healthy part. So, still, it's so good to have. Back home, feeding Lian his rice gruel or rice porridge along with shallots, which is good for babies. This helps them to tolerate spicy food later in their life. This is Lian's Ragi that I give him almost every day because it's a very healthy meal for babies. Along with this ground ragi mix, I add some raw banana powder which my mother-in-law had prepared for him. This is another healthy one for babies. We normally give this banana powder, ragi and the rice flour that I had shown in the vlog that I had published from Muscat. That night, my parents had come home as my father insisted on going out for dinner together. So they came home a bit earlier to spend some time together. I served them tea and snacks, and then later we all went out for dinner. It was Christmas Eve that day. The next day, we had a wedding function at Calicut. Then later, we went to my sister-in-law Shabna's housewarming function, which I guess she will be publishing on her channel soon. So I didn't take any clips of it. You can watch it there. And later that evening, we stood over at my brother-in-law's home. So we were at Calicut for a day. Spending quality time with siblings is always a rejoice. It's said that family is not an important thing, but it's everything. We sometimes don't realize the value of our extended family unless we are in need. The love of a family is life's greatest blessing. It can break easily, but it can be as strong as a rock if the bond is really powerful. Anyways, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the snippets shown from our days in Kerala. Take care everyone. Bye bye.